Hi, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Google Cloud account so you can create a Google OAuth Client ID. Now, a Client ID is a credential that allows Google to identify the app that's making requests. You will need this Client ID to allow people to sign up for your app using their Google account. It's slightly technical, no code involved, but navigating the Google pages for this can be intimidating. So in this video, I swapped to a yellow signposting scheme, and this should help you a bit more with the additional help boxes I've created for this video. First, you want to navigate to support.google.com/cloud. It's this page you see on the screen here. This is the page you go to get help for all things Google Cloud related. In the search bar, type in Manage OAuth Clients, and then you'll see it in the drop-down. So go ahead, click on that drop-down option. You'll be directed to a new page where you can scroll down and then click on the Google OAuth Platform Clients link. Clicking on this link will bring you straight to the Google Cloud dashboard where you can sign in, agree to the terms of services, and get started just like that. After agreeing to the terms of service, you can click on Create Project. This creates a new project that stores the client ID for your app. The next step is to go through the form together. Let's fill in the project name. In this case, Taskmaster. There's also the organization that you're from. I'm using berkeley.edu because I created this class while I was at Berkeley. But it really doesn't matter. You could just make up your own at this point. I'm using a corporate account from Berkeley, so I have a location field. For personal accounts, you likely won't have this field. But no worries, if you happen to have this field, just create or select any folder. It won't matter for now. I'm choosing the Learning folder. Once you click the blue Create button, the page will then ask you to define your audience. Now you'll want to click on External because what you want is to make your app available to every single person with a Google account. Then click on Next once you're done, fill in your email details, and then just click through the next few buttons to finish creating your project setup. Once you're done, you'll be brought back to the dashboard. And here's where you can finally create your client ID. So go all the way to the top and click on that button, and you can now set up your very first client ID. Choose web application for now because that's what your app is. It's on some website. Then key in the name of your app, in this case, Taskmaster. But remember, you don't have to use my name. You can use any name. And we're just going to stop here for now because the next few steps, it won't make sense at all until you go back to Lovable to enable this new thing called Lovable Cloud. So just hang on to this screen, and in the next video, I'm going to show you how to link Lovable to Google and enable any user with a Google account to sign up for your app. See you there.